Hi, my name is Shannon Galogli, and I'm the National Training Manager with Cinq Mondes, and I'm here today at LovelySkin. Cinq Mondes is actually a French Parisian skincare brand that's been around for about 17 years. There are beauty rituals from around the world, so we really take all of the best know-how and scientific research from each region and we put them into our products. So with Cinq Mondes, we have everything that you could really want from head to toe, such as our dry body oils, to our beautiful elixirs, to our wonderful cleansers, moisturizers, body exfoliants, everything that has luxurious and very rich ingredients from all over the world, such as India, Polynesia, Bali, Thailand, North Africa, and Brazil. As Jean-Louis and Natalie Poiroux collaborated, joining forces between brains and beauty and creativity, they took their love and passion for travel and wellness and they put it into the Cinq Mondes products. And you can get all of these products here at LovelySkin or go online and get them online as well at lovelyskin.com.